This is what you can expect for $950,000 in Kitchener, Ontario today. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete house tour for this property, and this is newly constructed 2022 built, sits on a premier lot featuring 4 bedrooms, 3 washrooms, and a 4th additional washroom roughing in the basement as well. And this house is a masterpiece in terms of style, space, and location, and we're going to speak about every single thing when we get inside. So grab some popcorns, have a cup of coffee, sit back and relax because we're going to start the tour right now. My name is Akash Basi. I always tell my clients that location is a crucial factor when you buy a house. In this house, the location is amazing. Schools all nearby. Public library right next door. Parks and trails in the backyard. Highway access, 5 minutes or less. You go to Highway 8, that will take you directly to Highway 401, and as well as on the other side will take you to Cambridge and Waterloo, Ontario. And lastly, shopping plazas, 3 minutes or less, you'll find all the basic amenities right at your doorstep. Everything is so close by, you can just drive there 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes max. You can find restaurants, pizza stores, gas station, coffee shops, grocery stores, everything in there. As well as if you want a bigger urban lifestyle shopping, 5, 6, 7 minutes from here is Sunrise Mall. I would say Sunrise Plaza. It's open air mall, has all the bigger stores like Canadian Tire, Home Depot, Walmart, more and more and more. So starting from the exterior, you can see there's single garage as well as 2 garage parking outside. So altogether they have 3 parkings. And moving ahead, you can see the front yard is very low maintenance as well. All you need to do is take care of a few plants here, that's pretty much it. And the porch has been shedded, so you can easily have your chair here maybe, or a table or something like that. So you can sit, relax, enjoy time with your family. Sometimes in nice weather like this, it's raining right now, so getting inside, very instantly you've been welcomed by the natural light as well as modern, fully upgraded flooring. And that runs through the main level as well as the stairs. That gives deeper, nicer, cleaner look. All right, now we are inside. You can see lights. They are not a single light, there are 2 lights there, so super bright here. As well as there's a powder room back behind me as well. So there's a very nice light here as well. You can see this. You can change the lights or pretty much everything like that, or different colors. There you go, different modes. Other than that, very nice powder room here, as well as there's a nice foyer. You can see, turn the camera around here, and these tiles I would say are also upgraded. Talk to the seller. They were getting basic ceramic ones, but they have upgraded to the builder to get the modern tiles as well. All right, so you will see it's huge, spacious, and this way goes to the garage. And garage, by the way, is super big. Owner have like a big SUV for 7-8 seater, fits in there perfectly. Let me show you the garage first. So we're going down here. There's some storage here, put all the shoes and everything right here. Storage behind me as well. And there is the garage. Huge. Huge, huge, huge. As well as super clean. It comes with garage remotes and everything like that, so it's all automatic. Now, moving backwards, you can see the stairs behind me. We'll talk about that more when we go upstairs, but it's all oak wood. So they have upgraded the wood as well in the main flooring, and the stairs upgraded to oak, gives more deeper vibe. This is the living area behind me. You can see it's huge and spacious, and the ceiling heights are also really high, right? I would say about 10 feet or around that. So it's nice, huge space here, as well as you have a huge kitchen here as well, has modern counters. So they have upgraded, so the builder gave them the counter which is like half the size here, but they have upgraded to make the thickness even more thicker, gives more luxury feel. So they have done like tons of upgrades in this house, spent thousands of dollars in there as well. So if you're gonna buy this house, you're gonna enjoy. By the way, if you're first time on my channel and you're someone looking to know everything there is about living in Kitchener, Ontario, subscribe my channel below and tap the bell icon for notifications. So each time we post a new video like this, you can be the first one to learn more about the current real estate market of Kitchener, Ontario. All right, we got calls and texts and emails from people just like you, and we really love it. So if you're looking to make a move in 9 days or even 9 months, just give us a call, send us a text message, send us an email, maybe schedule a Zoom call. We'll be more than happy to help you make the smooth move. My name is Akash Basi. I'm a local realtor in Kitchener, Ontario, and all my contact details are in the description section as well. Go check it out. All right, now coming back to the kitchen. The kitchen is definitely not the builder's basic. It has upgraded finishes, sleek lighting, and it's huge that it's enough to handle all your morning breakfast cereals to all the way to your dinner parties, right? Now, stainless steel appliances, they all will stay with the house if you buy the house. Quartz countertop, there's a dishwasher, stainless steel as well. Huge kitchen washing sink here. Backsplash, before I forgot. Backsplash is also upgraded. It came really basic before, but now they have different style that contrast with the countertop, right? It looks amazing. Has so many different socket options here as well. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, as well as they have upgraded socket counter on the island here as well, right? So that's also an upgrade because everyone needs, especially kitchen appliances on the countertop. Nobody wants to hide them in the closet, right? So you have enough space here. Put your grinder, mixer, air fryer, and any number of things you have on top here, and design your kitchen the way you want to have it. Also, they have a gas stove. I personally love gas stove, but there's a socket behind as well if that's what you want. I mean, this is an upgrade. It came originally with a electric stove, but sellers, they upgraded to gas. So you have both the options. Choose which one suits you well. All the color contrast here as well. All the modern cabinetries here. You can check. Everything is nice, clean, amazing. Lighting, ceiling height, as well as here. The lights are great. Now, I wouldn't say these are yellow, and I wouldn't say they are bright white. They're like creamish color, which is not too bold on your eyes. At the same time, they looks very nice and clean and white vibe in the house, right? This is a huge dining area. So you can dine with your family here on the backyard, as well as you can cook right here. You can eat maybe here. You have some chair, you have dining counter island, I would say, as well as you can eat here, cook there, dine here, or have your evening coffee right there. Maybe on the front porch, maybe in the backyard. We'll check the backyard in the end, just go upstairs first. All right, so this is how it looks. And isn't this amazing, right? Now let's go upstairs, and like I mentioned that the floor is also, you can see behind me, the floor is also oak, wooden, really nice. Now we have carpet here on the main floor, which is not too bad, nice and clean. And this is the first bedroom, I would say, and this is the master bedroom. Let's get inside and check it out. So, how do you like it so far? Type in the comments, let me know. This is a huge master bedroom, I would say. King size bed, no problem at all. No problem, absolutely. After that, even you can have your cabinets here with lamps on them on each side. No problem. Look at this. The view from the master bedroom. You see it? There you go. So it's the park view and trail view. Like I said in the introduction of the video, that this house sits on a premier lot. So they pay extra thousands of dollars to get this lot secured when it was newly built. So if you have kids, they can easily go play just behind the fence. Parks right next door, like I said, and you can keep an eye on them while you're in the bedroom. All right, now let's go to the washroom. You can see it's also upgraded. I have double sink. Builder gave them only one, so they upgraded to double. And that's me. Hi again. And this is how the washroom looks like. They have one step-in shower as well. It's huge, spacious, and amazing in there. That's the ensuite washroom. Now talking about the walk-in closet, huge, I'm standing right here. I cannot even touch on the other side. Huge. You can super walk in there, as you know, things to hang like this, as well as you can, you know, put your stuff on the grill, or you can have your own cabinets if you want. So walking out, now we are going to the second bedroom, which is bedroom for your kiddos or your guest over. This is how it looks, and you might make an office space here as well. The ones right here as well, they have a storage as well, closet, nice size window, as well as the washroom next door as well. This washroom has nice sink, that's me, seat, window, and a wash tub. If you want to have a shower in a tub, it's here. If you want to have a step in, that's ensuite in the master bedroom. Now moving along, this next to me is dryer washer. They both are upgrades. They both are having you know, front door lot and everything like that. That's good size there too. And now this is third bedroom for one of your kiddos, guest, family, friends, whoever you want to have them here. Nice size, queen size bed, I would say, no problem at all. King might be wonky, but queen is okay. And you have corner windows, one here, super nice size. You can, you know, keep an eye on the front door from here as well, I would say. Yeah, that's the front. Maybe you don't want to open the door for somebody or somebody's coming by, you just want to ignore them, so you can watch it from here. Super nice room, right? And spacious. It also has its own closet, sliding, goes right here, good size and beautiful all across. Have lights all over, you can see here, this way, you can see here, there, and this house is bright, extra bright. Now this behind me is your bedroom number 4. It's queen size bed, no problem at all, with your cabinets and lamps on them, absolutely. And if I go more here, you will find nice size window, really big, huge. Again, front, you can watch an eye, you can keep an eye to the front, who's coming, who's going, what's happening in the neighborhood. Maybe some fight broke out, so you just wanna have a peek in there. And this is extra big. I mean, this section, closet, is walk-in, as well as you have double partitions here to keep your stuff. You can see there, and one behind me. Super handy, very nice. This is on the main floor. This is all on the second floor. 4 bedrooms, 2 washrooms with shower, as well as 1 washroom on the main floor, which is powder room, like without shower kind of thing. And now let's check the basement real quick, and then we'll check the backyard as well. All right. Again, we are passing through the living area, nice and spacious, huge. Maybe you see it from this view. Maybe I don't know which view you're gonna like better. So I'm trying to give you every single thing. Now, staircase going to the basement is also wood, which is good, no carpet. And this is a nice size backyard. Little bit stuff here for the sellers, since they are selling the house. They pile up things here, but it looks spacious. You can see it's huge, very nice, lots of storage, even under the staircase here. Gas furnace, of course, heat water, owned. If you buy the house, you don't have to pay rental every month. This is owned and fully paid by the seller, which is great, amazing. They have water softener here as well. Little sink, lots of storage there under the staircase as well. Panels here, TV room here, you can have your yoga here, nice insulation, windows, lighting, every single thing is top notch, like I said. But it's a brand new built house, 2 or 3 years old, like I said, 2022 built, right? So the basement's unfinished. So you can do that with your own design, with your own architect, with your own floor plan, the way you wanted to make it. If you wanted to make it in future, but this is what it is right now. Now let's quickly go upstairs and check the backyard as well. All right, we are again passing through the living area, which I don't mind because I love this size home, right? Going out, the beautiful thing I would say for the backyard and the front yard both, I would say, is that it's fully, fully done. Looks good. They have plants all across, and you have a special concrete pad for the shed if you want to have a shed here. Nice and clean. You can have your umbrella here, or maybe a gazebo, some lights around it, some chairs around it, dining table, maybe a fire pit somewhere there. You can design the way you want, but this is super nice. The reason is it's low maintenance, and the front yard as well, low maintenance. You can park an extra car in the front yard, all concreted, landscape there as well. But at the same time, you can enjoy your relaxing weekends. You don't have to mow the grass or shovel the snow all the time in the front yard or backyard, which is amazing, by the way, I would say personally. But now that being said, they have very nice entry from the side as well. It's a detached house, and if I take you out, this is a really nice sidewalk, and you can see, not sidewalk, I mean, oops, that's loud. Really nice concrete padded side entrance they have into the backyard from outside, since it's a detached house. Also, their basement windows are all covered, which is good, especially in the snow time and the fall when lots of leaves and they got stuck in there, and rain too. This here is a really nice thing. Not many people have it. This is a heat pump, I would say, that have AC as well as heating option through here. So that means is there's a button inside as well. I forgot to show you, but anyways. So that means is if there is a temperature which is like -10 here in the snow time, you don't even need furnace to heat the house, because this heat pump is going to take care of it. But if you still need it, you still have furnace gas heating option. Absolutely. And this was the back front yard again, like I was saying, low maintenance, and they have concrete pad here, kind of make extra parking. Now let's quickly get inside the house again so we can finish the tour. All right, so how do you like it? Like it? Maybe not, maybe like it. Yeah, I like it, I love it. So I've shown you the house top to bottom, inside out. What are you waiting for? You want to schedule a showing, right? So if you want to see it by yourself, contact me. My name is Akash Basi. I'm a realtor here. My phone number is 226-978-7708. Text me, call me, email me, maybe. All my contact details are in the description as well. And if you're looking to make a move in 9 days or even 9 months, this house, any other house in Kitchener, Waterloo, Cambridge, new build, resale, condos, detached, I don't mind. I'll be more than happy to help you make that smooth move. So what do you think about this house? You like it? If you like it, or if you have some drawbacks as well, you want to talk to me, type in the comments. I love to chat with every single one of you. And please subscribe my channel, tap the like button, as well as type in the comment. It really helps more people finding these house tours, and you never know who's gonna buy it. All right, well, thanks again for hanging out. Signing off. We'll see you in the next house really soon. Take care.